Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, where you can find the link to the website in the description below. If you've been investing for a while, you've probably learned that best income opportunities don't always come from the companies making the loudest headlines. Sometimes they come from businesses quietly building a loyal customer base, streamlining operations, and maintaining the kind of financial discipline that income investors love. One of those under the radar name is Cricut Inc. They're traded on NASDAQ under symbol CRCT. While it's not the kind of business that's going to be on CNBC every day, CRCT stock has a few traits that makes it worth a closer look. John?
Thanks, Mo. Utah-based Cricut operates as a consumer technology company that focuses on empowering do-it-yourself creators in the US, Canada, and basically the rest of the world. At their core, Cricut's products allow users to turn their ideas into professional-looking handmade goods. It operates through two segments, platform and products. Cricut offers a variety of connected machines, accessories, and materials. These tools help users create everything from personalized birthday cards and custom mugs to t-shirts and large-scale interior decorations. To complement its products, the company offers Cricut Design Space, cloud-based software that works with its connected machines. This platform allows users to create and manage projects across desktop and mobile devices. Beyond all this, Cricut also sells a wide variety of accessories and materials, including Cricut Easy Press, Cricut Mug Press, hammer tools, machine replacement blades, and project materials like vinyl and iron-on products.
John, I see that Cricut financial performance remains robust.
Yeah, Cricut's second quarter financial results were decent to say the least, so it makes a case for a rising CRCT share price. The company's revenue for the quarter climbed 2% on an annual basis to $172.1 million. This is certainly not explosive growth, but in a consumer discretionary space, this increase is good given the overall macro headwinds. The subscription, that is platform revenue, grew a respectable 4% to $80.7 million, while hardware and materials, that's product revenue, inched up by 1%. This split is interesting because it shows there's some shift toward higher margin recurring revenue. Cricut's net income was $24.5 million, or 11 cents per share. Now, the company's number of paid subscribers crossed the 3 million threshold, growing 7% year over year, and its average revenue per user increased 2% to $53.84. Now, if we look at the balance sheet, Cricut generated $36.2 million in operating cash flow and ended the quarter with $377 million in cash and zero debt.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Now back to the video. Now, John, let's talk about the dividends here. This company offers what many companies don't, a regular dividend and a special dividend.
Now, while its regular biannual dividend of 10 cents per share gives CRCT stock a dividend yield of 3.52%, investors shouldn't overlook Cricut's history of paying, as you noted, special dividends. The company's used them in the past to return excess cash when its business performance and balance sheet strength allows it to. Special dividends can really provide a big boost to the income from an investment and increase the dividend yield significantly. This past July, for instance, Cricut paid a special dividend of 75 cents per share. This boosts the dividend yield to close to 17%. Now, there's no guarantee, of course, that Cricut will issue special dividends regularly, but the combination of healthy free cash flow, no debt, and a growing subscription base makes it possible when the conditions are right.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Cricut may not be the definition of classic buy, hold, and forget stock, but it has some qualities that long-term income investors would appreciate. It has a recurring high-margin subscription revenue, loyal, engaged customer, conservative balance sheet management, willingness to return cash to shareholders, both through regular and special dividends. The current yield might not grab headlines, but when you factor in potential for occasional special payout and long-term earnings growth, CRCT stock starts to look like a quiet compounder, the kind of investments that reward patience. For an income investor is willing to look beyond the usual suspects, Cricut could be a spot in the portfolio. CRCT stock is certainly liked by institutional investors. As per the most recent data, over 42% of all outstanding shares are held by institutional investors. The three of the biggest investors are Nuveen LLC, Vanguard, and BlackRock. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.